Did you know that your physical and mental health can make or break your IELTS performance? As a doctor, I'm here to share essential tips that will not only boost your exam score, but also keep you healthy and stress-free during your study journey. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dilshod and I'm a doctor with years of experience in the medical field. Today I want to share some unique insights on how to prepare for your IELTS exam from a health and wellness perspective. We'll discuss both mental and physical preparation strategies that can help you ace this important test. First advice, managing anxiety. Test anxiety can significantly impact your performance. Here are some tips to manage anxiety. Breathing exercises. Take a deep breath through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat these several times. Visualization techniques. Imagine yourself successfully completing the exam. Visualizing positive outcomes can reduce anxiety. Positive mindset. Remind yourself that you are prepared and capable of handling any challenge that comes your way. Second advice, staying healthy during your study. Healthy eating is crucial for maintaining energy and focus. Here are some meal and snack ideas. Breakfast, oatmeal with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with vegetables. Snacks, you can use nuts, fruits, and yogurt. Hydration, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated improves concentration and overall health. Third one, balancing study and rest. It's important to maintain a balanced study schedule with regular breaks. The Pomodoro technique involves 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. This approach helps improve productivity and prevents burnout. Don't forget the importance of sufficient sleep. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation and cognitive function. Fourth advice, physical activity and exercise. Regular physical activity enhances concentration and reduces stress. Here are some simple exercises to incorporate into your routine. Walks, 15-20 minutes of walking daily. Yoga or stretching. Morning stretches can awaken the body and mind. Short workouts, 10-15 minutes of cardio or strength exercises. Next advice, creating a productive study environment. Creating a distraction-free study space is key to effective studying. Here are some tips. Declutter. Keep only essential study materials on your desk. Use tools, noise-canceling headphones, focus apps, or phone locking device. Lighting and ventilation. Ensure your study area is well lit and ventilated. Next important advice is social interaction and support. Engaging with other students can be very beneficial. Join study groups or find a study partner. This helps not only to better understand material, but also to improve your speaking skills. Now, practical tips for each IELTS section. First, listening. Listen to English podcasts, news, and audiobooks. Reading. Use skimming and scanning techniques to improve reading comprehension. Writing. Practice writing essays and manage your time during the exam. Speaking. Practice with native speakers. Record your conversation and review them. To summarize, preparing for the IELTS exam requires not just mental effort, but also taking care of your health and well-being. Follow these tips to increase your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and exam prep tips. Best of luck on your exam. Thanks for watching.